GoDeezer. As you can see, this is my personal portfolio website. I will show you how I run my code to show you the output for this code. Then I will go to device because I'm using phone only. Then I will scroll down to go on laptop L. As you can see, this is my home page of my portfolio, and I choose the color green for my image portfolio background for a various reason. Green can symbolize growth, balance, harmony, and prosperity, which could align with the message or values that I want to convey through my portfolio. And additionally, it is a color associated with the nature and the freshman, which might reflect themes of innovation or environmental consciousness in my portfolio. Then the next one, I will click the text about. This content is all about my information, including my name, age, date, and place of birth, current residence, and my academic status. And the next one, I will click the text skills. Together, these skills like JavaScript, HTML, and CSS, Bootstrap is my ability to create a modern, interactive, and visually appealing websites, and I can leverage these capabilities to contribute to web development project and deliver a high quality, user-friendly code and online experience also. Then the next one, I will click the portfolio. The The code of my project activities is available on my GitHub repository, where you can review that implementation details and final result in every activities in my G Classroom. I'm excited to discuss every activities that I do further and share my insight on the benefits and using a framework like Bootstrap for web development. So we start the first activity that I do in my G Classroom is Introduction of Bootstrap. In this project, I'm able to create a 12-column grid for responsive column. Then I will click the icon GitHub to see the output and check if it is not responsive or not. Then I will adjust the weight to see it is responsive or not. So as you can see, it is responsive. And the second one is grid system. In this project, I'm able to create a 12-column grid responsive column. I will click also the GitHub icon to see the output. As you can see, this is the output of my second activities on my G Classroom. So as you can see, it is responsive. And the third one is Grid System Lab exe. In this project, I'm able to create a 12-column grid responsive column images. And then I will click the GitHub icon also. And I will adjust the height to see the full images. And I will adjust the weight also to see it is responsive or not. And the Fourth one is image and Jumbotron. In this project, I'm able to create 12 column with an images and quiz. And I will click again the GitHub icon to see the full output. I will adjust the height so as you can see the full image and the quiz on the screen. I will adjust the weight to see that it is responsive or not also. And the fifth one is responsive table. It is a project unable to create a responsive restaurant menu. And I will click again the GitHub. You can see it is a restaurant menu that I do in my activities. And I will adjust the weight also to see it is responsive or not. And the last one is text typography color BG. In this project, I'm able to write a short story contain children's story. I will click again the GitHub icon and you can see this is my children's story book. I will adjust the height and I will adjust the weight also. You can see it is responsive. Then the last one is contact. The last section of my personal portfolio is contain my contact details. If you have any further question about me, please free to reach out using the instruction provided below. The the on the portfolio, additionally about the portfolio, I understand the bootstrap core concept such as the grid system, responsive design principles, and the use of the pre-built components. It's demonstrate my abilities to leverage a popular front-end framework to build a modern and mobile-friendly code, web, and application. So that's all. Thank you.